Let's dive in and make some cookies with our shorts cookie cutter. First, you need to make your cookies. You're going to use these to make your swim shorts and swim top. I'm starting out with the color neon yellow to make yellow swim shorts. Outline it first to create your border and then color in the rest of the shorts using any color that you want. Of course, I'm using neon yellow, so beautiful. You can use a toothpick to fill in. I like to make little circles. While your icing is still wet, the next step is important that it keeps wet. You want to take another color and make some circles on top of the wet icing. Using a toothpick, you're going to drag from the outside in 4 places in each circle. And what that does is it makes a Hawaiian flower, also known as a hibiscus. And you're just going to go around. I like to clean off the toothpick each time I drag so I'm not bringing the other color to the outside. You can either use a paper towel on the side or keep the paper towel in your hand. And once you're done, let it dry for a little bit and then add the top. I'm using a different color here, pink. And then using another color, you're going to make the zipper area. Here I'm using a blue and making the zipper. Now I'm going to make the shorts turn upside down to make a swim top. Do you see how I did that? And I'm filling it in with a yellow. And once again, I'm going to make the circles like I did before, doing the exact same thing. So you now have a swim short and top set. How cute is that? Again, using the toothpick to make the Hawaiian flowers. Making sure that the icing keeps wet so that you can drag it through. When that's all dry, add the sides and the buttons, and you can outline the edge. That way people can really see that it's a swim top. Here I'm just going to show you another way using blue and yellow. And this is another one where you just fill in with yellow and then make some lines and then makes another design. Here's another design for the swim top, doing the same flowers using white and adding the buttons, and there you go. Now you have amazing swim shorts and swim tops to celebrate. Enjoy decorating with your family and your friends.